Hold on, Millennials and Gen Z, this health update is a game changer. According to a new report from the American Cancer Society, cancer rates are skyrocketing among millennials and Gen Z. Specifically, these younger generations are facing higher rates of 17 different cancers compared to their parents' and grandparents' generations. The data is alarming. Analyzing over 23 million cases diagnosed between 2000 and 2019, researchers found that those born around 1990 have up to 3 times higher rates of pancreatic, kidney, small intestinal, and liver cancers than those born around 1955. So, what's driving this spike? Experts are pointing to various factors, from dietary changes and sedentary lifestyles to antibiotic use and its impact on our microbiome. The exact reasons are still being unraveled, but one thing is clear: this is a wake-up call for all of us. Understanding these trends is crucial for developing better prevention and intervention strategies. Stay informed, stay healthy. Because when it comes to your health, knowledge is power. This is your Health Spotlight, bringing you the latest in science and health. Stay safe, stay aware.